Hello everyone. Sorry for uploading late. I was very busy in household work. It was very difficult for me to make time for making videos. In this class we will see different screen sizes and we will set artboards in Illustrator. So before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified from my videos. Responsive websites resize themselves on different devices. Their layout is different on different device sizes. So we have to design different versions of a website. Usually 3 versions of a website are created, one for desktop, one for tablets and one for mobiles. But these devices also have different sizes. For that purpose, you should ask from clients what screen sizes they want. You can go to site.If and can find the screen sizes you want. In the Monitors tab you can see the most popular screen sizes. We don't need physical size of the device, all we need is the CSS width and height of the device. Height is not so important because it depends on the length of the content on the site. And for tablets, go to the Tablets tab and you can see Apple iPad Pro is popular these days. In Mobiles tab, Apple iPhone 7 is popular. Also we have some other mobiles. We have Samsung Galaxy, Oppo and others. If your client has told you a specific device size you can search it here. Let's say we want Google Pixel. And here it is. Now let's create artboards in Illustrator. I have opened Illustrator. If you don't have Illustrator installed, please install it. I know it's expensive and everyone can't afford it, but there are some tricks to get it without any cost. You can join my Facebook community group to solve this problem. You can find its link in description. Okay, let's create a new document. Now here we already have presets for different devices. Let's go for 1920 by 1080 pixels. Keep other settings as they are. You can drag the screen by pressing and holding left mouse button and space bar. Let's drag it here. Select the Artboard tool from the toolbar. It is for desktop version of the site. So rename it to desktop. Now we will create another one for tablet version. Click on this button to create a new artboard. We need this artboard for tablet version. So rename it to tablet, and change the width. Let's say 768 pixels. We will not change the length because it depends upon the content length. Now create a new artboard for mobile version and rename it to mobile. Change its width to 640 pixels or what the client says. You can zoom out with the zoom tool by pressing Alt. With the Artboard tool select both the artboards by holding Shift. And just drag them here. So here we have all the artboards for different versions of the site. That's all for today. Watch video again and again if you can't understand. This is all yours. Try yourself and let me know in the comments if you find this video helpful. Also don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. For then stay fresh, stay creative.